Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a Christmas card that I titled Merry Christmas, and I'm using a Christmas and winter paper pack, and I'm also using one of my freebie card sketches that you can find as fully functional silhouette and SVG cut file on my website, MistyHilltops.com. So here I'm starting with the card base, and then I am ready to trim my paper, and I'm using a 4x6 card base, so I'm making sure that the pattern paper that I'm using is a 1/4 of an inch smaller on both on two sides, so that it gives a nice edge around the page. So here I have that paper ready, and I wasn't sure if the edge was gonna be too rough, but it wasn't actually, so nothing actually was chipped off as I was running the scissors around the edge there. So I'm ready to glue this onto the cardstock background paper there, and then I have these little elements. They all come with the template if you download the template. But while I used my silhouette to cut out the scalloped squares, I was lazy and just used one of my little square dies to get the red squares that I'm gluing down. And then this template also comes with a snowflake, and I've done this. It works fine. But for this one, I actually also used one of my die-cut snowflakes. But I have done this card in the past before using the same snowflake, and it works fine if you use the silhouette cut file. So anyways, there are 4 snowflakes, 4 little squares, and the snowflakes go on top of the squares there. And it's kind of a simple design. I wasn't sure with the background paper because the Christmas trees are a little large, and I wanted to have the Christmas tree still show a little, but I tried different other papers for the background, and with smaller patterns, but then it felt too busy with everything going on there, and so I stuck with this Christmas tree pattern for the background page, and then to give it a little contrast and pop, I used the white cardstock for the scallop square, and then just complementing solid color cardstock to go for to fill out the squares. And then this is from a Stamping Up stamp set, Christmas stamp set, and then I had these 2 little, they were supposed to be berries from another project left over, and so I thought I might as well make them look like a brad or a fastener of some kind, so I put those on the page as well. So this is my page done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.